Whether you need to install a new system or just fix existing one, you will need USB flash drive from which you can boot the system. There are multiple ways how you can make bootable USB flash drive, but you only need one for any operating system there is, and that is Ventoy. Ventoy is basically a USB flash drive on which you can copy any bootable operating system, live CD. I think only Mac doesn't work on it. And then when you put USB flash drive in your computer, you can just choose from which image file you want to boot your system. Let me show you this in action. First, you download the Ventoy. I'm currently on Windows, so I will download the Windows file. Once the file is downloaded, you just extract the file. Go to the folder and start Ventoy to disk. And you will get this window. For me, it automatically choose the USB flash drive. And just a warning, everything that is on that USB flash drive will be deleted. So if you have some files here, either back them up or be willing to part with them forever. So here you choose your USB flash drive, and when you chose that, you just click on install. Yes. Am I sure? Really sure? Yes. And this will install Ventoy on your USB flash drive. And once it's finished, it will say congratulations, blah, 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 blah. Okay. And that's it. And here you can see which version on Ventoy you are currently running on your computer and which one is on your device. So how does your flash drive looks now? It has two partitions, Ventoy FE and Ventoy. Ventoy FE you do not touch, you just leave it as it is. And on a Ventoy, you just copy your ISO images. Here I have a very small flash drive, only 8 gigabytes. But even if you have a small flash drive like this, it's better to put Ventoy on it than just put some operating system. Why? Just because you can copy your operating system and you can also copy System Rescue. And on System Rescue, you can find bunch of Linux system utilities. If nothing else, if your system is corrupted, you can always boot from System Rescue, try to repair it, or if nothing helps, you can at least copy your data to external drive. And another big advantage of Ventoy is once you have a Ventoy USB flash drive, you never again have to search for any program with which you can make a bootable disk. You only just copy or delete ISO files which you need. And another great thing about Ventoy is that Ventoy partition is formatted as exFAT, meaning that any operating system can read from it and write to it. Mac, Windows, Linux, everybody. So what happens if you have a bigger flash drive and you have a bunch of ISOs copied to it and you want to upgrade Ventoy on your USB flash drive? Well, simply just put USB flash drive to your computer. If the program doesn't see your USB flash drive, just click here on a refresh. And you can see that I started the version 1.0.99 and on my USB flash drive I have 0.95. All you have to do is click on update. And here it just says that your ISOs will be untouched. And you just click yes. And when it's finished, Ventoy will give you a message that it was updated. You click OK. Now, as you can see, my USB flash drive is on latest version. And I didn't have to delete or copy again all of my ISOs because that will take a while. And since this is the exFAT partition, you can also copy here, for instance, your password manager file, app images if you want to run them on Linux, or any other files that you want. When you boot your computer from Ventoy USB flash drive, you will get a screen like this, and here you will have the possibility which ISO you can run, and just boot in the normal mode. Pretty much Ventoy is the only program that you need to create a bootable USB